Okay, y'all, just leaving Bath and Body Works. Got my little order. If y'all know, the deal was $5.95 for single wick candles, so I did pick up my BOPUS order. I wanted to go ahead and grab some more candles, but they didn't have some of the items that I wanted, so it's gonna be a pass for me. I'm gonna have to go to another store in order to get the items that I want, because I do have a 20% coupon and I don't want to waste my coupon only getting half the items. So I just picked up my order, and that's gonna be that's gonna be it. And I told y'all yesterday the items that I got the patchouli and rosewood single wick, and I got the tea tree and mint single wick. So it's just 4 candles in here. I might just head over to another store. Yeah. Okay, y'all, my haul. Now, this is a couple of days later. I went to the store Saturday. Today is Monday. I'm finally recording this video. But y'all know the $5.95 candles. Remember, I told y'all I had to go to a different store to grab the other 4 that I got. So here they are. I got the patchouli and rosewood. 2 more. So I have a total of 4, because I was super excited for this scent. And it's nice. It's super nice. Patchouli flower, pink pepper, and rosewood. Yeah, this is nice. This is giving me luxury. This is most definitely giving me, you know, like a scent that Bath and Body Works don't normally do. And yes, they are starting to do these scents, and I'm loving it. The next 2, if you see my video, you already know. The next 2 is the tea tree and fresh mint. So yeah, I grabbed 2 more of these. So I have a total of 3. Remember, I got a total of 8 candles, 8 single wick candles for $5.95. You can't beat it. Because these, as y'all do know, these go on sale for $10. So when they had that $5.95, the code was little glow. I had to grab it. I had to. So yeah. Also, because I had grabbed so many single wick candles, I decided to not get as many 3 wick candles. The first one is Beach Weather. I wanted to get at least 1 item from the Black History Month collection. So this is the one that I decided to get. I already own Beach Weather, but I like this one more than I like the other ones. So if the other ones stick around for semi-annual, then I will grab those. But in the meantime, this is the one I wanted to get first. The next candle I grabbed is aloe and palm. Yes, y'all. Now, I'm kind of excited for this candle, because I love anything with aloe in it. I don't know why. To me, aloe just gives that spa-like scent. It's all, yeah, a spa-like scent. That's the reason why I like it. The scent notes is palm leaves, eucalyptus, vetiver. So yes, it's very fresh. And I most definitely get a lot of the vetiver. I don't really smell the aloe. Is it? They don't even say aloe on here. They don't even say aloe. Palm, fresh palms. Wow. clean eucalyptus, and Vanderveer wood. No aloe is in this candle unless it's on the front. No, it ain't. Wow. This is most definitely giving me more of a masculine scent, but like a fresh masculine scent. It's kind of reminding me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. So we should see. The next candle I decided to grab, and I wish I would have got this one in the single wick. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have grabbed this one as well. Under the Magnolia Tree. And the reason why I didn't really grab a whole lot of these, or why I didn't get it in a single wick, is because I got a feeling this is going to be very, very floral. I like floral scents, but it's not always my first. And it has to be a certain type of floral. And I do love magnolia trees. I really, really do. Magnolia petals, lemon, and peach blossom. I do get like lemon. I'm not really getting peach. It's most definitely giving me like a lemon floral. It's kind of giving me cleaning supply. Like a cleaning product or something. But that's just on cold. But I got a feeling the floral most definitely is going to come out, because as I was pulling it away, I kind of got hints of like a floral type of note. So we shall see. I only grabbed one. Again, I'm just testing my candles before I get back up, because I'm not going to buy a whole lot of backups, you know, unless I truly love it. Remember, I used to buy my candles in twos. I don't do that anymore. I'm only buying one. If I love it, then I'll go back on another set. And the last candle I got is blush, geranium, and fern. Love this. And I love the whole spa vibe that this has. Yes, I love this. This is nice. Okay, let's see what the scent notes is. Geranium petals, greenery, calm musk. I like it. When I said that, made me think about a commercial, the Life commercial from back in the day. If y'all remember Life and Mikey, he likes it. He likes it. When I said that, that kind of popped in my head. But yes, I like this. I'm hoping it throws, because on cold, I most definitely could smell it more than I could smell those other ones. This is nice. It's unique. And it could just be those geraniums that I'm really smelling. It's most definitely giving me floral, but not like the heavy floral. It's giving me more like a soft floral. I like this. I like it. Most definitely gonna burn this to try it to see if I like it. And then this one was $29.95, y'all. $29.95. Crazy. But this is nice. I might go back and grab all of the candles that's in this collection. Then, for some reason, I grabbed another Cocoa Paradise perfume, because I do really, really like this scent. So I did grab another one of these since it was $8. This is the best time to grab them. Or you can grab it with rewards, because I think the regular price is $13.50. $13.95. Wow, they went up a little bit. So the regular price is $13.95. So this is an item that you can grab with rewards. So yeah, but I'd rather pay the $8 than use a $16.95 rewards on a $13 product. And the last two items I finally broke down and decided to just go ahead and buy some room sprays, because I don't even think we're going to ever get a sale. So I really wanted this Marshmallow Musk room spray. So I did grab two, because it was two for $16. So yeah, I went on and grabbed two of these, because I really didn't want to miss out on them. One of my stores was already sold out. So I said, you know what? I better stop playing and go ahead and grab it. I really didn't want to pay $16 for two. So it is what it is. This is something that I really wanted. Sometimes you just have to do that. If it's something you really want, you just got to go ahead and get it. You know, and hopefully a sale will come up soon and I could get a price adjustment. But I don't think they're going to have a room spray sale. So it is what it is. At least I got something that I like. That was it. That's all I got over the weekend. I have not been back to the store because the buy two get two sale. The sale is going on for like 4 days. So I think it's going on still tomorrow. I think the 14th is the last day of the sale. I'm not going to go back. I'm just going to wait for another sale to come around to grab those newer candles or the rest of the other candles that I want, because I was going to buy a total of 8 candles. And I decided to just only buy 4 because I bought 8 single wicks. So yeah, that's going to be it. That's going to be it. Leave down in the comments, what did you grab from the buy two get two sale? If you skipped, you decided not to shop, leave in the comments, did you grab anything from the Cocoa Paradise collection? Have you grabbed this Marshmallow Musk Room Spray yet? And what do you think about it? I actually really like it. I really like it. I know that's too much. But I really like this. So yeah, leave all that stuff down in the comments and I will see y'all in the... Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on all of my social media platforms, use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. All that stuff really do help. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me, always holding me down. Oh, finna choke off that all the doggone spray I just sprayed. Goodness gracious. Yeah, holding me down. Thank you for always supporting me. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.